For the most of our kids, and I think Central Crossing is where we'll send some kids. Like I said, our maintenance team's in Leafydale, and I'm told that back behind me
here today, you know, many times we get asked about what's so special about Johnstown, and this is the kind of stuff that happened. Closed yesterday, we're closed today because we can't get through the roads, we can't get through the sidewalks. We want to make sure we have good walkways for all of you. And this is what happened. All the athletic teams here, we got community volunteers, some that started last night, we got our maintenance guys, we got our bus drivers, scouts are here. Really appreciate you being here. Mr. Busenberg has been helping me lead this, and he's going to get you some direction on some things.
Thank you for being here. I know it's your snow day. Hopefully you guys have some energy built up from some days off, but really appreciate it. And thanks for bringing shovels too.
All right.
Can you get your thing through there? What do you have to do? Break that through? You can't get it.
A lot more than we were expecting. So now that we've had lunch warmed up, if you are done, that is okay. We appreciate your help. We knew that not everyone was going to go out for both rounds. If you're sticking around for round two, we're going to go ahead and get gathered up. Do me a favor, grab a water on your way. A lot more when you're out there working, and so I don't want anyone getting dehydrated. So grab the water. We'll grab our shovels and gloves, head to the bus. We're going to go to the new addition. We have a little bit left there. We've got kind of a circle and one entryway that we're going to clean up. That should take, with our crew, 20-25 minutes. We'll load up, head to the back of Leafydale, finish that up, and we'll be done. So we're going to try to keep this last round to 1 hour. We'll come back here and then we'll be good. Okay? All right, thank you.